well hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel, Big Boys and Big Toys. Today we're going to be working on the old F-150 again here. I'm just doing something small. I always say it's a short video, it never is, but I hope it's a short video. All I'm going to do is mess with this blower motor real quick. I'm going to try to make this one work, the one that locked up in the last video on this truck when I did the AC, which still works. Sure does. Anyways, we're going to pull this guy out and see if maybe we can get it unseized. And if not, I guess we'll just replace it. I haven't bought one yet. The parts store says it's in stock, so let's get to it. Alright everybody, so this is what we're getting to right here. We need to get this guy out, which means we're going to unplug it, and there's at least a couple of these, I don't know, say 3, 4, I don't know, 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, probably 5 of them it looks like. And we'll slide this out, I'll show you what's involved, and see what we can do with this. Maybe we can unseize it and make it work. Maybe we're just putting one in. So give me a couple minutes, let me get some tools together, and I'll be right back. Alright, let's get this blower motor out of here. Looks like we got a plug right here. It should just come off. There we go. And then we've got something up here that looks like it'll just come off when we unbolt it. Yeah, unplug's so easy, why not? Yep, okay. And then we got this hose that comes off the bottom. I don't think you can see it. Hold on. You see it comes in the bottom right here. Let's get that guy off. Should just pull off like that. Alright, and we got these bolts that I pointed at. Looks like they are going to be 5/16, I think. Yep, feels right. Alright, let's get these off. Alright, let's see if we got it here. Did we miss any? Doesn't seem like it. Alright, so it should just come out then. Here we go. Well, it does not. I assume it has a seal on it. Let me get a little prying device here. Give me a second. So I'm sure the right thing to do here is a plastic pry tool or something, but I got a screwdriver and that's good enough. Let's find out if it'll come apart. There it comes. See, just stuck a little. And there it comes. I know you heard the pop. Let's swing it up out of here. There it is. Ooh. There may not be any fixing this guy, but I guess we'll I guess we'll take a peek. But I'm pretty sure we're sticking a new one on. Yep. By the way, I just shut the camera off, but I wanted to show you folks something. You just saw me pull the blower motor out. This is a 95 F-150. I'm sure we've said that before. Can y'all read that right there? 4595. I assume that means that's the original blower motor. She's given all she's got, probably. I was looking through the hole right here on the side, and y'all see in there? Probably not. I need to get you a light. Okay, anyways. Back to what I was doing a minute ago. Be back. What's up, everybody? So, it's like, I don't know, 16 hours later from the last time we talked. something. I don't know, not the point. Anyways, I got this out earlier, you saw it, it's locked up. I got a new one. However, I am not happy with this new one. Yes, it does spin free, but look at this cheap crap right here. I mean, oh, sorry. There we go. Look at this cheap crap right here. What the heck is that shit? Anyways, I guess the correct thing to do is I'm supposed to take the fan off of here and I'm supposed to attach it to this one. I'm not sure if that's what I'm doing yet or not. I'm gonna disassemble this and see what I can make it do, because I like this a whole lot better than I like that. Maybe I can use parts. I don't know. Let's see what we can make happen here though. Okay, you ready? Great, good, wonderful. Here we go. All right, so step one is we're gonna try and get the fan off. And it looks like this is just a push on. So I'm gonna try to just pull up on it a little. Maybe I have to use a pick instead of a screwdriver. And we're just gonna walk this guy off. There we go. Slow and steady wins the race. See if I can get a bigger one here. Oh look, got one sitting right next to me. Too big? Nope, it fits. Oh, and lost the clip. All right. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Hope you can see it. Yep, okay. It's just a push down and locks on guy. Hopefully this just comes off now. All right, I got two pry bars here. We're gonna try to just push up on both sides like this, I hope. Easier said than done, huh? All right, so I cleaned this up just a little bit with some sandpaper. My plan is I'm gonna try to pry just a little bit and maybe give it a whack with the hammer. I got a little brass hammer right here. And here it comes. About to pop off, nice and easy. Just like that. I even caught it. See, that's what I was trying to avoid though. I marred that bottom up a little bit. It's okay, it'll live. Oh boy, that doesn't move real good, does it? All right. Well, we got it free, but it ain't no better, is it? Ooh. Just so everybody knows, 99% of the time it's this end bearing. And I'm gonna do a brave thing. I'm just gonna drill a little hole here and we're gonna put some oil in that and give her some lube. Tiny little drill bit. Now let's just give her a little drink. Perfect. Well, we got it loosened up, but that doesn't sound or feel very good. Got a rough spot right there. So let's just assemble the other one. Maybe we'll take this apart and try to find a bearing later. I don't know. We'll be back. All right, so as you can see, we got the new one here. I'm gonna measure the depth for this to fit on. Because I'm going to be honest, it already looks like it's probably not going to fit. It's probably not the right way, right? What do I know? A little over 2 1/4. Almost 2 1/2 seems right, okay. Well, this one's not flat, so actually it looks like it's about the same. Okay. That's good. Too bad I can't just use the guts out of the other one, huh? Maybe I could, I don't know. Alright, so it looks like you got a flat side right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's there. Let's line up with this flat side right here. Looks like that's it right there. Oh look, it just fell on. Okay, cool. Alright, and then we got this guy right here. I'm gonna put it right over the top the same way it came off. I got a socket that's about the right size to just set over it like that. So we're gonna set this on just like that. And there it is. Okay guys, so I got some jumper leads hooked up. We're gonna test this fan. I got a battery right here. So let's hook these guys up and see what we get. So ground, and hey, look at that. Off. Ooh, it's not even that wobbly. Oh, it's bad. All right, and on. That sounds a mite better than the last one. And on. Alright, just for the heck of it, let's hook the other one up for a second. And then we're just going to move on with installing this when I get home in the morning. Everybody hear that? You ready? I think we're going to install the new one. Okay, I'll see y'all in the morning. Let's throw this thing back together. Alright, that's the last one. Obviously put it back together the same way it came apart. Hose on the bottom, plugged in, plugged in. Let's give her a try. Y'all hear anything? I don't hear nothing. I hear it trying. Okay, well, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that I bet we blew the fuse. Bet we blew the fuse with that other blower motor. Alright, let's find the book, and probably in the fuse panel in the truck. Blower motor? Yeah. Alright, let's get the book out. Thank God it's got the owner's manual. Alright, fuses in the back somewhere. Oh shit. Did it just open up to the fuse panel? Ugh, that's a bad sign, isn't it? Alright, give me a second. Alright, looks like it's in this fuse panel. Number 1, 30 amp heater, air conditioner blower. Let's find number 1. Number 1. Alright, bottom left. Let's go find that guy. Alright, bottom left. I might need to go get some pliers. I guess we'll change that, huh? Can y'all see it? Anyways, it's blown. Best I can give you, won't focus. But you can see it's not, you know, in the middle there, it's not put together. Can you tell the difference? Let's try this again. Does it work this time? Oh! Alright, let's try the air. Get you set up in a stand. Alright, does the AC still work? Keep your eye on the prize. Let's fire it up. I'd say that's a yes. Alright, real question. Oh, it's cold. I just started it, so... Oh yeah, it's not that cold. But I bet it's getting colder because I just started it. You saw it. Oh yeah. Alright, let's check in a sec. Oh yeah. Let's check in a second. I'd say we're still in business. What do you think? I'm not... You can see the throttle pedal down there. I'm not pushing on it. I can probably make it colder with some throttle. Anyways, I'm pretty happy with this. Blower motor's good and cold. Or blowing good. And the AC's good and cold. That's what I'm trying to say. Done holding that. Anyways, that's all it takes to do a blower motor in your OBS F-150 95 F-150. I guess I'm gonna back this thing up, and I got a few other things I got to get done today, and hopefully gonna pull it in and work on the engine some. So until next time, that's it for this video here at Big Boys and Big Toys. Thanks for tuning in. I'd say that's a winner. Oh yeah.